The market is heating up on the Eastern Shore. Buyer activity is up 25.9% compared to last year, and buyer contracts rose 39.3% from last week, which is 11.7% higher than last year this time. It's Friday, March 22nd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Market activity is picking up on the shore with Cecil, Queen Anne's, Caroline, and Dorchester moving up to steady from the recent past slow buyer activity. Wicomico and Worcester are moderately active. Talbot remains slow, while Somerset has limited buyer activity. There are 1,379 homes for sale, reflecting another increase in homes for sale. 89 properties are coming soon, actually falling slightly. 211 came to the market since last week. 117 went under contract, a rise from a prior report. 116 moved to pending, remaining consistent week over week. 123 sold at 97.3% list to sold ratio, and days before contract rose to 26 days. There are 91 homes for rent on the market at a consistent $2,195 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 22nd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.